Good, good, good morning, everyone. Let's fix this real quick. Good morning. Hope we're all doing just fine today. Let's delete everything here. Straight off the rip. Straight off the rip. Just want to try something. Yeah, that's out. That's out the question. Inverse that fair value gap. So yeah, we're actually going all the way to that amount, huh? Probably add one more if I could get it. Add one more con. I want to add one more. I want to add one more. Might not be able to though. Straight off the rip. Straight off the rip. Oh man, I wish I added one more. Being a little scary adding. Shit, why didn't I add, bro? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Y'all love that. Oh man. It's being a scary adding. Scared out little nigga. Feel what I'm saying? Whatever. Let's go for these 90 ticks. I'll try another, like one more trade later, maybe. I literally didn't. I just hopped in that motherfucker. Just to, you feel me? Just to warm up, you know? In sports, you gotta warm up sometimes. You gotta warm up. You feel me? Get some free throws in at motherfucker before you actually start playing. So that first trade was a warm up, but I definitely needed to should have checked the higher time frame. Logic for this trade. No logic. Straight gambling. Nah. Logic for this trade. See, we're tapping into this higher time frame fair value gap. This one, this huge one. Come back to tap into this. So we're tapping into this, you know, fair value gap. Sunk from it. So I don't know why I even entered longs here, but we sunk from it. We broke that. We broke this trend line. So I feel like we could possibly push to these lows. But who knows? Nobody knows. That first trade was unnecessary though. Like I just hopped in that motherfucker. Just trying to warm up. I hope this thing copied, like. Okay. I think he copied. I was contemplating adding there, but being a little. A young nigga it being a little. And that motherfucker. Hopefully we could trade all the way, like, you feel me? So I could make my loss back. And I make $1 million. But I'll be trailing, so once we get that aggressive drop that I'm looking for, if we do get it, I'll trail that motherfucker. See what a full NQ got going on in the motherfucker. If we're dropping today, bro, we dropping all the way. We got data highs here. Got data lows here. If we could drop to data lows, that'd be spectacular. This is my first TP down here, but I'm not taking any TP. It's supposed to be my TP here, but I'm not gonna take it. Man, I knew I should have added to that, man. What's my nationality? I'm Ghanaian. I am from the beautiful city, country of Ghana. And I'm actually gonna go stay there for like some time. Why are people retracting their messages? That doesn't make any sense. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more trading content. Peace out. I want to see if we can keep sinking here. We've already hit my first TP. I should have went in with 2 cons, bro. Like, I should have went in with 2 cons, bro. Yeah, I live in the US right now, yeah. Because now we've hit my first, what was supposed to be my first TP. Yeah, but I live in the United States right now. Oh, yeah. I'm Ghanaian and American, but I'm Ghanaian for the most part. Ghana. Yeah, I'm still doing live Discord. Yeah, I still go live on Discord. Hit first TP, now it wants to reverse on a young nigga like me. Man, I do see we're bouncing in this FVG. 5-minute FVG. Let's see if we want to hold. If we break through that, I might exit this trade. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're not doing none of that. We're not doing that. Stops at break even here. We ain't doing that. Knowing YM is probably going to want to stop me out quickly and then tank. He is not doing none of that, my twin. How many trades do you take per day? I try not to take more than 2 trades per session. So I have like 3 sessions in a day, but I usually trade 2 sessions, so about 4 trades. Like 4 trades max. Let's see if price wanna take me out right there. So now that we've bounced out of that fair value gap up here, if we trade back into it and we want to break it, then we're probably heading up, which is why I have my stops at break even. But if we want to reverse from that, then you feel me? It's about to be 10 o'clock here. That 10 o'clock candle is gonna show us what's gonna happen. Or what wants to happen. I want to see a push to the downside, but who knows, man? Anything can happen. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, we're getting stopped in that motherfucker. Stopped out. Mm. Let's see if we can find something else here. Do hope these trades are being copied. They're probably still gonna tank. Or maybe not. Heading back up, maybe. Feel this volume imbalance. I can see us heading back. Only down 175 here. Yeah, yeah. I can feel the tilt. I feel the tilt. I feel the tilt coming. But will I let the tilt win? Definitely could have been more patient. Definitely. High top side with Gucci flips. If we come back to inverse this right here, man. We want to sink. Oh my goodness. Down like what? 300. Guys, I feel the tilt coming, guys. But I'm only going to take one more trade, and that's it for me. Are you kidding me today? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Price is just trying to trick. I don't think I'm out. I'm done. I'm done. I can feel the tilt coming. Let's see how much we're down. We're down 400. Yeah, 400. We're down 400. Couldn't get a clear direction here. You had a limit order there? Dope. Yeah, we're down 500 here. Definitely I took like 3 trades today. More than I wanted to. I need a price to act bad. Yeah, 3 trades. 3. Yep. Couldn't really get a clear direction. But I'm actually done though. I already lost pretty much a good amount. 500. I was up 1,000 yesterday, down 500. So I guess this first trade that I took was literally supposed to be it. But it only traded exactly into TP and then reversed. So let's see. Let's look at the accounts. Let's look at the accounts. It's actually taking longer than I anticipated. But what can we do when market isn't giving us what we need? Yee yee. We're still up. How much on these accounts? Let's see. Funny enough, my first trade, if I just held it, probably would have been straight. We're still up. Oh yeah, my first trade, bro. That would have been good. About being a little puss. Ooh. I really don't be getting enough sleep, man. That messes with my performance. Just working, working, working. You see me outside, I'm working. Let me show you guys the accounts here. This is as transparent as it gets. You see the tilt, you see everything. Oh yeah, that first trade, man. Psychology was not on point. So this is the Fundednext dashboard. Where is this? Okay. Oh. Look at that tank, bro. If I just held, man, held my first trade. FM. Oh no, I'm trying to show you guys the trade sync dashboard actually. So this is what we got right now. We're still up like I think three something. think 500 on one account, 3 something on the other account. But I'll try to pass it by next week, man. Yeah. Literally just needed to be patient. Yeah, PA isn't even the best here. So whatever. Almost, they almost fucking got me. Okay, let's go back to the charts. They almost got me. Oh yeah, your life outside of trading definitely influences. Why don't you trade NQ? I do trade NQ. I trade NQ. I have different sessions that I like to trade different things. Different times I like to trade different things. So I do trade NQ. I just have a different session for it. But primarily from my experience, I just feel like it's much easier for me to pass the challenges using YM. But when it comes to taking actual trades, I could use NQ. Look at this chop. Primarily, I guess we are heading back down, back to these lows. I just couldn't hold. Couldn't hold for the life of a young nigga. Oh, really? 1 hour time, 1 hour trend line? Oh yeah, I see that. All right, that's a good trend line to get broken though. But yeah, it's been riding it. Been riding it. And we tap into this hourly fair value gap. So we could just be sinking. But I wasn't patient enough to hold. I wasn't even supposed to hold. I'm supposed to take TP here. But as I said, these funding challenges, like, yeah, like, you feel me? I had a certain number in mind. But literally could have just held, man. But shoulda, coulda. But I'm actually done here. Look, I again, not too bad of a loss today. I definitely, kind of started going crazy here. But I know when to stop, so that's good. I know when to stop that foolishness and lock in. No, 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 no. Using Fundednext, guys. Fundednext futures. So price action is actually not that bad, bro. I was just impatient. Couldn't hold that. Should have held that first trade, bro. Right down to TP. Right down to these lows. This first trade that I took right here. Instead of putting in that break even. I honestly I don't even like break even. Honestly, I think the only reason I did that is because I'm on live and I'm just trying to be perfect. But I actually don't really like break even. I will take break evens once in a while, but honestly I don't like break evens. That's what I'm saying. Like being on live will definitely add extra pressure, but I'm not complaining. This is what I signed up for. Yeah, we're probably gonna trade all the way to this trend line. Whatever. So yeah, price action was actually not bad. Actualmente. So what are these accounts looking like? What are these accounts looking like? And you can see here, this account is down 500. I think this is down about the same. Wow, I should have held, man. Just held that first trade, like I usually like to do. But no, I want to break even for the people. Break even, like, bro, what? What are you telling me, bro? Like sometimes I just do some shit and I'm just like, bro, like I know I don't like to break even, bro. I know that. So why did I break even? Because I'm on YouTube live? Who cares, bro? Who cares? 15K funded. Next. Nice one. Wait, 15K? I didn't know they had a 15. They have a 25K plan, 50K, 100K. I don't know if they have a 50K plan. But yeah, hopefully you get a payout. How many texts? It's only one test. You just take one funding challenge, and then that's it. Look at that, trading right into where I wanted it to trade into, bro. An FVG that hits between 9:45 a.m. to 10 a.m. is the best for quick 50 plus. Oh, okay. That's a pretty cool observation. Guys, you're seeing how psychology affects trading a lot. And especially when the pressure is on, I'm on live trying to pass this. So I'm trying to be a little bit, you know, as much as I don't want to, I'm trying to be a little bit too perfect. Because as I said, I don't like breaking even. But I ended up breaking even on this trade, which was running in profit and then ended up taking me out. And I was aiming for these lows first and then possibly these lows, which it probably will head to. But took it out at break even because I'm on live and I want to please the people. But yeah, and then after that, I don't know what the hell happened. I gotta go back and watch that. See, it's good that I'm even doing this because I'm gonna go back and look at it like, what the heck happened after that? I just went crazy, but I stopped myself before it went crazy. So that's one thing that's good is being able to stop yourself. Man, bro. Yeah, I'm just doing foolish things here. Look at that thing sink. Full transparency in that motherfucker. And I only had one con, so for taking first TP, would I had to take the whole thing. I knew it, man. Fucking knew it. Yeah, being on stream is definitely, pressure is on, but you just got to get used to it, guys. Breaking even and shit. What the heck? Who does that? Twin. Who does that, twin? This would have been a nice one, bro. Nice 200 ticks. Choo! Chee! Psychology. Type shit. Like the 4 hour, yeah. You're right. 4 hour to structure the bias for the day. Well, yeah. Oh, I guess just any higher time frame to structure the daily bias. You can see here that we're tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. Hindsight is always the smartest motherfucker in the room. Tap into that motherfucker. Consequent encroachment of that shit. And then sank. But no, Stan wants to break even. What the heck? Like, what the heck? How often do you guys even see me breaking even, bro? Market conditions suck these days. Do you work in an extra job? No, I do not, my brother. I trade full time. Trade and make content. Full time. Market conditions, bro, market conditions are always going to be market conditions. We can either make excuses about them or we can just adapt. Like today's market condition was actually not that bad. Looked choppy in the beginning, but the setup came in the morning. All I had to do was be patient and hold and not even change my strategy. Why am I breaking even? Like in my strategy, there's nowhere that says break even unless in very rare scenarios, like if we're approaching like an opposing fair value gap or something and it rejects from there strongly, then you could probably break even. But apart from that, why is a young nigga breaking even? Because I know from the data that YM usually likes to trade back into likes to trade back into entries, into my entries, and then keep pushing. So market conditions actually not that bad today. I just tweaked out, but I was able to, not go too crazy. So that's good. Yeah, market condition is not that bad, bro. Honestly, guys. It did exactly what I wanted it to do at the end of the day. Just couldn't capitalize on it because my mind was not there. My psychology was fucked. You guys saw as soon as I came on trade, I just took a random trade. I was trying to warm up, but not with full size. So yeah, market condition has been a bit tougher than usual, but at the same time, still gives good opportunities. You just have to, you feel me, know what you're looking for. Oh yeah, for sure. That's what I'm saying. A lot of people will not trade live, bro, because bro, folks be capping, bro. Folks don't really be trading like that. You feel what I'm saying? You guys are seeing my mistakes real time, everything, my fuck ups, my tilts. Literally, you're seeing it. Because this is more relatable. This is what happens to regular traders. But this is the part they don't like to show. Like, nice setup, played out perfectly. But guess what? Still couldn't even catch it. Because I was going crazy. Like the stream, guys. I'm about to get off. Because price has already delivered how I anticipated it to. So even though we weren't able to catch it, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm about to get up, guys. Not the best session, but we'll come back next week. Hopefully I can pass it next week. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. We're still up on the account, so it's not too bad. So let's see what happens next week, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your weekend, bro. Stay up the chart. Well, no, actually, practice. Use the weekend to practice. Use the weekend to, you feel me, get your mind right. I'm gonna do that. Use the weekend to practice. You never get to a point where you don't need practice. You're always gonna need practice. So use the weekend to practice and come back next week stronger and better, especially psychology wise, bro. Like what I did today was just, but I'm glad that it's on live so I can review it and make corrections as needed. Look at that thing go. Go, 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 go. Almost tilted, bro. Almost. Almost, almost, almost. All I had to do was hold, bro. That's it. Twin, what you doing, bro? But yeah, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And I'm going to continue this shit next week. Next week is probably going to be like a whole new start because, you feel me, this week hasn't been on shit. And the first 2 days of the week, you know, I wasn't executing, so. But you know what it is. Didn't take too big of a loss, so I'll take that and just, you feel me, move on. So we come back next week until we pass this thing. And yeah, you guys have a wonderful rest of your week and wonderful weekend. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Exactly. Peace out, guys. Yeah. Yep, we gotta train, man, every day, every single day. This thing is still drooping. Droop. You're gonna pass she. I hope so. Let's see. As real as it gets, man. So next week, I'm gonna try to execute any opportunity I see so I could blast through this challenge. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Enjoy this weekend and hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next week. Peace. I said peace. It's not working like I wanted it to work. Peace.